So outlining is really very important, no? So hindi lang siya for the scenes or for the story. Kailangan may outline ka din for your character. Why? Because character is sinusundan ng mga nagbabasa. So you may have a shitty plot nung story, but if you have an interesting character, the readers might stay. But if your plot is good, but you have a very shitty character, chances are they're gonna drop the book. Kasi nga, the plot is driven by the character, di ba? So, yung sa area na ito, kailangan i-discuss mo yung changes nung character mo. So, kailangan clear ka din dun sa outlining part ng story mo. Yung movement ng character mo, yung changes na mangyayari doon sa character mo. Yung character mo ba magiging hero to villain, or is it your character is anti-hero na magiging hero? I don't know about you, but bahala ka, that's your story. But yeah, number 3 is create a character arc. So in this part, what you can do is you can start by asking questions, 'di ba? Like from starting point ng character mo, who are they sa simula at the beginning? What do they believe sa beginning? Yeah. And then the start ng pag-change nung character mo. So the character arc na siya. What do they learn? And how do they change? So you have to know that in the outlining part of your story. And then yung ending point nung character arc na ito. Who have they become by the end of the story? So you have to know that first before you start writing. So hindi ka lang nag-outline sa pinakang plot ng story, you're also outlining the character arc of your main character. So hindi lang importante malaman mo yung beginning, middle, and end nung plot ng story mo. It is also important to know the beginning, middle, and end nung character mo.